Welcome to Don Valley Volkswagen. For 60 years, we've proudly represented the Volkswagen brand, building lasting relationships with drivers across North York, GTA, and beyond. Since 1966, our commitment has remained the same, delivering vehicles you can rely on, providing service you can trust, and creating an experience that puts customers first. Don Valley Volkswagen is driven by Performance Automotive Group, Southern Ontario's leading automotive retailer since 1964, with a focus on car buying made easy. Whether you're exploring our vehicle selection online, in-store, or taking advantage of our complimentary valet service, our approach ensures pure ease. We offer 3 convenient locations dedicated to new Volkswagen sales, quality pre-owned vehicles, and certified collision repair, supporting you throughout each stage of ownership. Being part of the community also means supporting the passion that matters most to our customers. That's why we proudly partner with Bateman's Bicycle Company and Borough Football Club, supporting what brings people together on the road, on the trail, and on the pitch. As we celebrate 60 years of driving forward, we thank you for being part of our journey and look forward to serving the next generation of Volkswagen enthusiasts with effortless ownership. Visit us today or explore donvalleyvolkswagen.ca.